So over these, you may be wondering, this started in 2010 and now we're in 2025. That should be 15. Well, it's the 13th edition because we lost a couple of years to COVID. There was no golf at that time. But in these 13 years, we've had delegates from Goa, from the other states of India, Kashmir, Pakistan, Singapore, Australia, Nepal, Bangladesh, Kenya, Sri Lanka, Brazil, Argentina, Spain, France, the US, New Zealand, Portugal, a lot of countries.
We had a very good program. We had two excellent keynote speakers, Sumana Roy and Shanta Gokhale. One spoke on plants. Plants have a life. Plants have senses. The other, Shanta Gokhale, spoke on the power of silence. Then we had a poetry reading by Ramesh Ghadi. Then we had a paint, our art was unveiled by Sonia Rodriguez Sabarwar. And finally, we had William Dalrymple, a British historian, talk about his book with Vidya Deheja. All in all, it was a very good program, a very good attendance.